Figs are a delicious and nutritious fruit that is grown all over the world. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fig farming is a profitable and relatively easy business to start in India. Figs are a popular fruit in India and are in high demand. The best fig plant in India is the Pune fig, which is a hardy and productive variety. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Benefits of figs. Figs offer fiber, vitamins, and minerals supporting digestive, heart, and bone health while regulating blood sugar and aiding weight management. Antioxidants combat free radicals with anti-inflammatory properties potentially benefiting skin and respiratory health. If you are interested in growing fig, here are some things you need to know. 1. Climate. Figs are a subtropical fruit that needs a warm climate with plenty of sunshine. The ideal temperature range for fig cultivation is 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. Figs can tolerate some frost, but prolonged exposure to temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius can damage the trees. 2. Soil. Figs grow best in well-drained, loamy soil that is rich in organic matter. The soil pH should be between 6.5 and 7.5. Figs are susceptible to waterlogging, so it is important to plant them in well-drained soil. 3. Planting. Fig trees can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or air layering. The most common method of propagation is from cuttings. To plant fig cuttings, you will need to prepare the soil by digging a hole that is twice the width and depth of the cutting. Fill the hole with a mixture of compost and garden soil. Plant the cutting in the hole so that the top of the cutting is level with the soil surface. Water the cutting well and mulch the soil around it to help retain moisture. 4. Watering. Figs need regular watering, especially during the summer months. The soil should be kept moist but not soggy. 5. Fertilization. Figs need fertilizer every 3 to 4 months. Apply the fertilizer to the soil around the fig tree and water it in well. 6. Pests and diseases. Figs are susceptible to a number of pests and diseases, including aphids, mealybugs, scale insects, fruit flies, and fig rust. You can control these pests with insecticidal soap, neem oil, or horticultural oil. 7. Harvesting. Figs can be harvested from June to October. The fruits should be picked when they are ripe and soft. Ripe figs will have a rich, sweet flavor. 8. Storage. Figs can be eaten fresh, dried, or processed into jams, jellies, and other products. Fresh figs should be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Dried figs can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 6 months. With proper care and management, fig trees can produce a good yield of fruit for many years. Fig farming is a profitable and rewarding business. Its price ranges from 1,500 to 3,000 per kg. That's all for today's video on fig farming. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.